welcome to Innocent Soul Tarot. Here, everybody's innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Innocent Souls Tarot. I speak the truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you hit the notification so you know the next time I post my videos. And if it don't apply, let it fly. Let's get it. Let's go. Today, y'all, we haven't did like what's in the news. So let's see what comes out when it comes to world events, Spirit. Okay, what's in the news for the collectives? Okay. It's just overall, this is just a general message, okay? What's in the news for the collectives? What's in the news worldwide? Yeah, I just want to see what's going to come out. What's in the news? Whoa. Somebody wants you in the morning. It fell right on top. Cancer man. Charlene. Let's see what comes out in the news. What's in the news for the collectives? A long-term relationship here. Yeah. Competition. Completion. Somebody's definitely doing the work. A Leo man. What's in the news, Spirit? Laura. Kim. What's in the news? Hopefully my phone won't die. Ooh. We got John Legend so high. So if somebody 45, 46, somebody gets definitely high off your energy here. They don't even need to smoke, okay? Test is needed, a separation. So there's definitely some test that's needed since separation. Yeah, because you don't know what your person's out here doing. Yeah. California, LA, Oakland, Florida, and Georgia. You can live in one of these. There's a karmic family. Yeah, a lover here. Stress reliever. You definitely this person's stress reliever. Come through, Spirit. Yeah, you have them hooked on you. You have them hooked on you. And people mad. Because you had that boss position. Could have been a love-hate relationship. We got floristry laid down. You could be 43 or 44 here. Camille. You got to make it up. Let's see. What else is in the news for the collectives? You're a boss figure. Yeah. Sam. Adele. To Be Loved. Oh, that's my favorite song. You can born in 1971 or 72. Someone called in the lie. Yeah, you mean the world to this person, to me. Haven't met nobody like you. They're suffering from nervousness and anxiety right now. What's in the news? Mississippi, Alabama, Albany, and Alabama. Capricorn man. Yeah, tweet, I'm done. Somebody could have said, I'm done, I'm walking away. Your person participated in humiliating you. When it came to you, they did 9-10. They could be September the 9th or 10th. Oh, so this person participated in humiliation when it came to you. Shame on them. We got the community did this. I think that's what I say. The government. Y'all don't know my own writing. The government did it. Yeah, the government did this. Yeah, they woke up, and you did too. So both of you guys are seeing the light here. Yeah. Person will live upstairs from you or next door to you. Floods, large water coming through. Yeah. They love you. Their pride. Yeah, their pride. They're in their pride, though. Got the best of them. Capricorn woman, light skin. July and August, June. July going to be the significant. Yeah, going through a big life change here. Somebody loves chubby lovers. Yeah, light skin lover, vanilla. Admit they were wrong. Single person. You could be single. Erica Badu. Saudi person. Past person mad. So somebody's dealing with somebody that's mad. They'll be alright. Yeah. This person could be a drinker or an herb smoker. Scorpio woman, light skin. Love to lick you, but scared they won't do it right. Ooh, jealous. Robbie. We got Cancer woman, dark skin. A threesome wants you and your husband or wife. Okay, let's get the other deck, y'all, and see what comes out. Wants you. What's in the news, Spirit? We need all the information we can get for the collectors. What's in the news? What's in the news? Thank you. We got 134, 136. Tupac, Hail Mary. Y'all, that's y'all song, Hail Mary. Okay, 131. Large penis here. 132. Take what resonate, y'all. I'm just a messenger. No communication. But communication is coming in, though. This person could be short. You could be short. Jasmine Sullivan Bain. Yeah, this person thought they was all of that in a bag of chips, y'all. You know how they act like that. You can't tell them nothing. Yeah, police officer is watching. Yeah. 7-8. Somebody can born on July the 8th. Sam Cook, you send me you send me and lay me down. It's for a king here energy. Queen life. Yep. Masturbates to your social media. Masturbates to your pictures. 137, 138. Drink VSOP. K Michelle, that's y'all song. They want to eat you up and suck you up. Cheater but sorry. Person is trying to stop drinking too. Too many people in your business. I ain't gotta make it up, y'all. This person could have ghosted you. They love your wet. For the what's in the news, Spirit? Yeah, the levee broke. I bet. Mature female. J. Howe, faithful. So somebody's no longer being wants to be faithful. Yeah, I heard that song. So you gonna make me cheat. Pisces woman, dark skin or man. Like your wet. That keeps coming out. Lights out. A secret vacation. Making changes. Spain. We got a trip to Spain. Has a new beginning with the lover. Surrender to the divine. Leadership role, or you could be in a leadership role. Somebody wants to get back together. Old school energy. This person could be older than you. Ready to talk to you about a court case. What's in the news, Spirit? Tornadoes coming soon. Okay. You're a good person. Yes. Need more chakra balance. Somebody definitely thinks balance their chakra. Okay. They want you. They don't need you. You want this person. You don't need this person. Want you, don't need you. Yeah. Need, that means you codependent on somebody. You don't want nobody that needs you. Loves your oral sex. Love your smell. K Michelle. But maybe I should call. 61, 62. Twin flame energy. Raided their house. Somebody's house is getting raided. What's in the news? An actor or actress. Yep. Someone's baby's father or mother. Yep. Somebody lied on DNA. They wasn't the father. They wasn't the father. 73, 74 could be significant. Shirley Murlock, they was somebody's husband. Yeah, they're watching you on social media. Someone mean, I love you. Yeah, somebody near you loves you and watching you on social media. Got caught up for lying though. Tornadoes, stocks are going down. Get rid, yeah, low. Stocks are going down. That's what's in the news, y'all. What's coming out in the news, Spirit? In the news for the collectives. What's in the news? Oh, let's see. Friendships and situationship with a younger man. Cowgirl pushing on his chest and leaning back. That's a magic mountain face to face. These are the positions. They right. August the 4th, July the 4th, around July the 4th. They were right. Long walk on the beach. Laughter is needed. Scorpio woman, dark skin, willing to suck them. Wife will not. So somebody is definitely willing, and another wife wouldn't. I pray they will leave in peace. Come into your house. Aquarius here. Missionary. Since you left them alone, they've been sick about it. They're giving you evil eye. The once you're 69 says corkscrew edge on the bed from the behind. So that way I don't have to, yeah. We don't cuss here on Innocent Souls Tarot, guys, because we're all innocent souls here, okay? I only speak the truth. I don't use no profanity. That's not, it's not my personality. So, all right, let's pull some more. What's in the news, Spirit? What's in the news? Done healing. Okay, they needed healing, so they're done healing. I'm coming back to make things right. Okay, the one they chose over you got them in trouble. So definitely. I hadn't used these in so long, y'all. Yeah, this person, he or she loves you from the back. Okay. Gemini woman, dark skin, cheated, scared you will find out. Ooh. Pisces, water sign. Ooh. Or man, take what resonates. A Gemini woman. Wow, scared somebody gonna find out. Hope you gonna find out on my channel. China. Oh, they moved in, or somebody's moving in. Jill Scott. He loves me. Yeah. Oh, so there's a new illness that's coming from the government. Okay, a new illness that's coming from the government. Remember, y'all heard it here on Innocent Souls. So I got to keep that out. That's what I wanted to hear about. Yeah, emotional manipulator. More than 10 states. Wow. So we got more than 10 states that's want to get this. Yeah, they're trying to emotionally manipulate us. Y'all already know what the COVID did. They don't want to see you happy. That's so sad. Give me the new disease coming from the government. High winds, 0. That's high. Yeah. High to minus 30. Mississippi, Albany. You keep seeing these states. Mississippi, Albany, and Alabama. Okay. Sex on their mind. Unknown. Don't even know you. This person's unknown. Don't even know you. This don't even know this person. But they lied on you to your person. Wow. That's on the flip side. Next year or 6 months. Main female is a scandal. Possession. Handcuffed. Wow. Because of a love spell. They lied on you. It's about to change. Has a third party. They love you though. Al Green, love and happiness. 147 or 148. Take what resonates. That's my father's birthday. 1471. Addictions, immature. They were acting immature here, okay? Tweet, addicted. Somebody's definitely addicted to your... Check that song out, y'all. These are all songs as well. Addicted is one of my favorite songs. You could be 53 to 54. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Dark hair, 1112. Can be significant. This person loves to chase. Husband material. I ain't chasing nobody but God, okay? Secret obsession. Powerful change is coming, okay? Names E through G. They petty. Worrying you're going to leave them. I'm sorry, y'all. Because of a big opportunity and big money. Okay? Yeah. A pregnant lover coming to get you pregnant. So somebody's going to be a pregnant lover here. This person is coming to get you pregnant. They ain't playing. Secret obsessive here. They're definitely obsessed here. Emotionally trapped. Yeah, they were, because they were dealing with too much. Yeah, like you dressing sexy, likes you to cover up. So they like you to, this person likes you to dress sexy around them, but when you're out in public, like you to cover up, okay? Yeah. Should I take all of these? Yep. Let's read them. 39 to 40. Erica Badu, bag lady. So somebody could be like needing a place to crash. Sex on their mind. No sex drive. Loyalty is being tested. Yeah. Someone is coming to see you. Anthony or Kevin. They moved on. War between two or more states. Okay. So that's what's in the news, y'all. 77 to 78. This person thought they had a lot of power. Yeah, Michelle loved them all. Yeah, so they're dealing with somebody with that they have love for the street. Yeah, Scorpio woman, dark skin or light skin. They want you to ask them for money. They want you to ask them for money or help or for help. A hairstylist, okay, or a makeup artist, okay. Scared you will hurt them or turn them out. Don't trust easy. This person around you plays sick, but they not. Yeah. High wind storms, okay. Leo man, love you to give them head. Angels are around you. Prayer is needed. Yep. Bald man here. Hairy man. 666 and 777. Look those angel numbers up, y'all. Okay. So I definitely see change here. Some positive. And 666 is not a bad number. You look it up. Do your research. Okay. Like to dress. Okay, we did that one already. Like you to dress sexy. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. It's your girl, Goddess T. See y'all soon. Bye.